Minister MSM Anandan quitting and likely to join Vijay's TVK. Meanwhile, the Deputy General Secretaries of the ADMK, Natham Vishwanathan and SP Velumani are also not attending the party's Women Wing executive meeting that is currently underway at the party headquarters, in which Edappadi Palaniswamy seems to be heading this meeting. That already seems to be giving the indication that this seems to be the last chapter of the rebellion that seems to be taking place within the AIADMK, and with senior leader SP Velumani, however, has, according to reports, refused to accept the appointment as the Deputy General Secretary, where several senior leaders who stood by him are left now without any organizational roles. So as far as the AIADMK loss, is it now turning out to be Vijay's gain? Because now this development which is now taken place, this is the 7th such resignation within the ranks of the AIADMK in the last 2 months, and the AIADMK that seems to be in a huddle amid a series of resignations that seems to have hit the party post the assembly elections. And of course, when it comes to the strength of the party, which has also significantly now gone down. Let's connect with Dharani on this. So Dharani, the rebellion that seems to be brewing with more resignations, especially of topmost leaders, expected.
Well, earlier we saw, two ADMK bigwigs who are also former ministers, that is C. Vijayabhaskar and MR Vijayabhaskar, quitting the party. And now we are learning that another former minister from the Tirupur district in Tamil Nadu, MSM Anandan, he has also quit the ADMK at this point in time. He is not a sitting MLA, but, he is very likely to join Vijay's Tamilaka Vetri Kalagam, is what we are understanding at this point in time. So one leader after another, many former ministers, they are quitting ADMK. And in case if they are sitting MLAs, they are also resigning their MLA posts, and they are set to join Vijay's Tamilaka Vetri Kalagam. So definitely this is considered to be a huge setback for the ADMK at this point in time, considering the fact that we have the local body elections in the next 6 to 7 months, and of course we also have bypolls for at least 6 assembly constituencies in the coming months. So as far as ADMK is concerned, every single leader who is quitting the party, they have the same complaint. They say that the party seems to be having some kind of an authoritarian atmosphere. Edappadi Palaniswamy is behaving like a Hitler. He is not, giving any space for internal democracy. Anybody who raises any voice against Edappadi Palaniswamy, they are being thrown away from the party, or their party posts are being snatched away. So when there is no internal democracy, there's no point in staying with the party anymore, is what all of these leaders who are quitting ADMK at this point in time, they are telling in, one tone.
So let's talk about SP Velumani as well, because let's also talk about the angle as far as a growing rebellion within the party, with the 6 MLAs already having submitted their resignations to the Speaker. 4 of them have reportedly joined Chief Minister's Vijay's party, which is the TVK. So this is the internal crisis that seems to be escalating for Edappadi Palaniswamy as well. And SP Velumani, Dharani, he himself is a tall leader. So his resignation coming in from the assembly and then from the party's strength has already now gone down from 47 to 41.
Well, as we are talking right now, there is a meeting of the ADMK Women's Wing that is currently unfolding in the party headquarters. But ADMK is 2 deputy general secretaries, that is SP Velumani and Natham Vishwanathan. Both of them have, skipped this meeting. Edappadi Palaniswamy is definitely participating in this meeting. He is the one who is heading this meeting. But the number 2s in the party, that is SP Velumani and Natham Vishwanathan, who are the deputy general secretaries, both of them have skipped this meeting, and we are learning through sources that the supporters of both SP Velumani and Natham Vishwanathan, they are urging the 2 leaders to snap ties with the ADMK and to join TVK. So both of them, they're facing pressure from their supporters and loyalists to quit ADMK and to join TVK at this point in time. And we have to wait and see what both these leaders they are going to do. But the disappointment is pretty evident, because both of them have skipped today's Women's Wing executive meeting that is currently underway at the party headquarters. And yesterday we in fact saw a video from an internal meeting held by SP Velumani in Coimbatore district of Tamil Nadu. In that meeting, SP Velumani was evidently seen expressing disappointment over the current happenings
but however,
in ADMK.
there is still no confirmation. Either he is likely to go ahead or quit the party altogether. But however, it will prove to be another big setback, especially for Edeppadi Palanisamy. Please do stay on with us, Dharini, because series of other meetings that are also coming in the day. As far as for Tamil Nadu, we talk about what's being planned on part of the TVK and the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Vijay, who is all set to host leaders from the parties supporting his government. That means the allies. And this is coming in from both the coalition and from the outside support. Now, the meeting which is scheduled for today, which is the first high-profile meeting of the allies, but there is also a bigger role that Vijay seems to be eyeing in Tamil Nadu politics. What has now been said that Vijay is now eyeing for a broader TVK-led alliance in the state, and the meeting is now being to be held at a very well-known, at a hotel in the outskirts of Chennai. But this development is happening at the time when the TVK may also get support from the AIADMK as the internal crisis has been escalating, and as the party faces fresh internal crisis, as Dharini has also been mentioning that SP Velumani is also likely to resign from the assembly and also to quit the party. But the growing rebellion there has now worked in the advantage of TVK, and this is now coming across as far as when it comes to certain allies of the party, including that of the left, according to reports that is now coming in, are expected to skip today's meeting. So let's reconnect with Dharini on this angle. So what are we now looking at? Because growing in strength, leaving DMK, plus the building of another front in Tamil Nadu.
Sir. Well, we are in fact reporting from the Tamil Nadu Secretariat at this point in time, and left leaders, that is CPI's State Secretary Veerapandiyan and CPIM's State Secretary Shanmugam, both of them are right now in the Secretariat. They are currently holding a courtesy meeting with Chief Minister Vijay. So this meeting is happening because the left parties have decided to skip the allies meet that is going to be hosted by the TVK this evening around 4 p.m. The left parties have decided to skip this allies meet because at the moment they're only extending support to the TVK government from outside. They are not part of the TVK cabinet, and of course they are not part of the coalition government. So, for the time being, it is only apt for them to skip the allies meet is what they feel, but they wanted to convey this decision to Chief Minister Vijay personally, and that is why they've come to the Secretariat right now to meet him for courtesy. After this meeting, we're expecting a press conference from them in which they'll be speaking about their decision to skip the allies meet in detail.
All right. Keep an eye out on the developments there. Of course, the meeting at the Secretariat with the Chief Minister, and thereafter the TVK plus the allies is this building of another new front as far as Tamil Nadu politics is concerned. Thank you very much, Dharini, for joining us here on the broadcast. We're going to head into a very short break. You're watching Times Now.